beautiful learners. Welcome back to Learn with Amna. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Alex. It feels so good to see you again. Emily, today we're going to help beginners become fluent in English. For real.
Oh, yes, and we're doing it with simple English, warm energy, and real-life examples. So stay with us, stay close, and breathe. You're safe here.
And we promise today's lesson will feel like a warm cup of tea. Slow, gentle, but powerful.
All right, ready for some magic? Alex, let's begin.
Let's start with something important. Why does English feel so difficult for beginners?
Because most learners try to speak fast before they learn to speak clear. And fluency begins with clarity.
Yes, and many learners also translate from their native language, which makes the brain confused.
But don't worry, we're going to show you how to fix all of this. Alex, should we tell them the big secret early or make them wait?
Audience, what do you think? Should we tell you now or later?
Audience, what do you think? Should we tell you now or later?
Okay. Stay with us. The secret is coming in a few minutes.
Tip number 1 is simple, but very powerful.
Speak slow.
Yes. Beginners think fast speaking equals fluent speaking, but actually, slow speaking equals clean speaking, equals true fluency.
Watch this. Hi, my name is Alex. I want to speak in English, but I can't because I'm too super fast.
Stop. See? You understood nothing.
My name is Alex. I want to speak English. I speak slowly.
This feels calm. This feels fluent.
Try it with us. Say, my English is getting better every day.
Tip 2, use sentences you can use every day.
Like, I need help. Can you repeat that? I'm learning English. I don't understand. Please say it slowly.
These sentences are your tools, your superpowers. Use them everywhere.
Imagine you're in a grocery store.
Excuse me, where is the sugar?
The sugar is on the top shelf.
See? Real life, simple English. That's how fluency begins.
Before we continue, if you are learning something today, smile with us and subscribe to Learn with Amna.
And when you subscribe, you become part of our learning family. We're growing, and we want you with us. Now, this is one of the biggest steps to fluency.
Stop translating every sentence in your head.
For example, let's say you want to say, I'm hungry. Beginners think, in my language it is maybe this, maybe that.
But fluent speakers think directly, I'm hungry.
Word tone. Start with small things. What do you see right now?
Chair, phone, door, water, light.
Name them in English. Don't translate. Just see and say.
Here is a beautiful method for beginners.
Start your sentences with just 3 words.
I want food. I need help. I am tired. You are kind.
3 words make speaking simple, and simple becomes fluent.
Tell us in the comments, can you make a 3-word sentence right now?
We're reading them, every single one.
Till you know you don't need long conversations, you need small ones.
1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Talk to yourself. Talk to family. Or talk to a mirror.
Even talk to your cat.
Yes, but keep practicing.
Now, we will practice a small, real-life conversation. Speak with us.
We will speak slowly for beginners.
Hello, my name is Emily. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. Thank you.
Great. Let's learn English together.
To speak well, you must listen well.
Fluent speakers listen a lot.
Podcasts, short videos, slow lessons, beginner conversations.
You can improve your English even while washing dishes.
Just play English audio. Let it wash over you.
Mistakes are not a problem. They are signs that you are learning.
Every single fluent English speaker made thousands of mistakes.
So don't stop. Don't hide. Don't wait.
Speak, even if you feel shy.
Okay, it's time for the big secret.
The secret to fluency is consistency, not perfection, not big vocabulary, not complicated grammar.
Just small steps every day.
5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
That is fluency.
Today, we learned how to become fluent, even if you are a complete beginner.
Speak slow. Use real-life English. Think in English. Listen a lot. Practice small conversations and stay consistent.
You are growing, you are improving, and we are proud of you.
If this lesson touched your heart, smile with us and subscribe to Learn with Amna.
We're here every single day to help you speak English with confidence.
And don't forget to watch our next video. It's waiting for you right now.
See you there, learner. You're doing amazing.
Bye.
Bye.